You're watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. This week's episode features Nephrolepis biserrata, known as Giant Sword Fern to us. This is a large, erect, spreading evergreen fern forming beautiful mounds of long, narrow, arching fronds that can reach to 8 feet or 240 centimeters. It creates a lush tropical effect, and its tall fronds quickly spread from horizontal stolons. It's a native to Florida, Mexico, the West Indies, Central America, South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. With a moderate growth rate, giant sword fern thrives in moist hammock and swamp habitats. It prefers moist to seasonally wet, well-drained to poorly drained, sandy, limestone, or organic soils with a humusy top layer. It has moderate nutritional requirements and can grow in nutrient-poor soils, but needs some organic content to thrive. Its saltwater and wind tolerance is low, and it does not tolerate flooding by salt or brackish water, and the salt wind may burn its leaves. Its drought tolerance is also low, and it requires moist to wet soils and is intolerant of long periods of drought. Prefers light shade and does not produce any flowers. In fact, the plants reproduce by spores. The fruit presents as inconspicuous spores, and you can easily identify them when you look closely to the details. If you're interested in growing this at home, the best time to plant them is mid-spring, late spring, or early summer. Its medicinal uses include fetus development, treating various microbial infections, relieving stomach pain, ability to stop bleeding and promote wound healing, and in some regions it is used to treat various skin conditions. In its other uses, research suggests potential antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and liver protective properties, as well as uses for cough and as a sedative. Research is also indicative of its anti-parasitic properties, and studies have demonstrated its rhizome and leaf extracts exhibit an in vitro anti-inflammatory activity. We thank you for tuning in to this week's episode and interacting with our virtual living lab. It couldn't be possible without your generous support. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.